In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Autosave in Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a powerful tool for project management and collaboration, and managing your changes efficiently can make a big difference in your workflow. Autosave is a handy feature that ensures your work isn't lost and that your changes are saved automatically. Let's walk through the process step by step so you won't have to worry about remembering to save your work manually anymore. First, let's start by heading to your Smartsheet home. This serves as your starting point and is your gateway to all your sheets, reports, and dashboards. Think of it as your central hub for everything happening on Smartsheet. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your account icon. Clicking this icon is your pathway to more personalized settings that are specific to your account. Upon clicking your account icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Personal Settings. This area is where Smartsheet really allows you to tailor its functionalities according to your individual needs and preferences. Now, proceed to the Settings tab. You'll discover a wide array of options here, all designed to help you optimize how Smartsheet works for you. The goal here is to enhance efficiency and user-friendliness according to what suits you best. In this section, look for the option labeled as Autosave after 3 minutes of inactivity. There should be a checkbox next to this setting. You'll want to make sure it's checked. What this does is ensure that when there's no activity for 3 minutes, Smartsheet automatically saves any changes you've made. In some cases, you might notice that the 3 minutes part is highlighted or underlined. This indicates it's a clickable element. If you'd prefer a different period of inactivity before auto-saving kicks in, go ahead and click it to customize the time frame according to your workflow needs. Additionally, there's another setting you might find incredibly useful. Look for a checkbox that says something along the lines of Auto-save my changes when I leave a sheet, report, or dashboard. Enabling this will ensure that each time you leave any of these elements, your progress gets saved automatically, adding an extra layer of security for your data and sparing you the worry of manual saves. Once you're satisfied with these settings and have adjusted everything to your liking, there's just one more crucial step. Make sure to hit Save. Doing this will apply all your new autosave settings and lock in your preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled autosave in Smartsheet. This small yet impactful change will give you peace of mind, knowing that your work is being backed up automatically. Now, you can enjoy a smoother and less worrisome experience while working in Smartsheet.